Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a PlayStation 4 controller. First, make sure your controller has enough battery. Next, open your phone settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now, grab your PlayStation 4 controller and simultaneously press and hold the share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar starts flashing. Finally, select Wireless Controller from the list of available devices in your phone's Bluetooth menu to complete the pairing. Once your controller is successfully paired, launch Call of Duty Mobile. Head into the game settings, which you can usually find by tapping the gear icon. Look for the Controller tab within the Settings menu. Here, you'll find various options to customize your experience. You can adjust your button layout, fine-tune sensitivity, and even invert controls to match your preferred playstyle, ensuring a comfortable and competitive edge. To truly master Call of Duty Mobile with a controller, practice is key. Spend some time in the training grounds or against AI bots to get a feel for the new input method. Experiment with different button configurations to discover what works best for your hands and playstyle. The controller offers enhanced precision for aiming and more fluid movement compared to touch controls, giving you a significant advantage in firefights. Just be mindful of any slight input lag that might occur on some devices. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Call of Duty mobile app and your device's operating system are fully updated. Sometimes, a simple disconnect and reconnect of the controller can resolve minor glitches. To optimize performance, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming resources. For extended gaming sessions, consider investing in a phone mount that attaches to your controller. It provides a much more comfortable and immersive experience, reducing strain on your hands and neck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.